Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Constant, founder of Constant Labs. Today I'm going to run a quick demo of the network discovery tool within Constant Labs Tactical Kit, also known as CLTK. Let's begin. So one common problem in real environments is during firewall or NAT changes. You often have a list of critical endpoints that must remain reachable. The issue is you can't manually check every device, especially under time pressure. So you need a quick, repeatable way to validate connectivity, essentially. So here I've defined a simple list of IPs within our demo data directory. Here's the IPs here. And these represent key systems we want to monitor. Instead of checking each one manually, we just apply the list to the tool. So we're going to head back over to CLTK. As you can see, if we type 1, that will start the network discovery tool. And in this, when I run this, the tool will check each target and log the results so we can clearly see what's reachable during the change. So if we enter our path to our IP list, and we'll leave the rest as default. So we're just going to hit enter. As you can see, our network discovery tool has started now. So in this case, it's using TCP fallback on port 53. This is normal if ICMP isn't available. It still tells us if the endpoint is reachable. So as you can see, the results have been stored now. So I'm just going to hit enter, and we can type L to open the last run and hit enter. As you can see, the results were stored to 3 files here. So we're going to open just the spreadsheet. Now, instead of guessing, we have a clear view of what's reachable and what's not reachable, all recorded at the exact moment. So just go through the different fields very briefly. So we have our target, which is pulled from our IP list. We have our FQDN, which is our fully qualified domain name, so which is associated with the IP address. We have the mode, which is TCP fallback. And we have reachable, so some are true, some are false, which is exactly what we expected. We have our latency and our timestamp, as well as our port. We'll close that down. As you can see, we also have a JSON version of that spreadsheet, which is good for passing information. And we also have a summary, so it could be a number of devices we've pinged, for example. I'm going to go further up in the directory, just to show you where the stores are actually, where the results are actually stored. So as you can see, if we go into outputs and we go to our last date modified, we have our timestamp here, our date. And also, if we go to our last date modified, you can see it has a run ID. So it's important to note here that the tool automatically writes outputs to a timestamped folder. We get CSV output, a JSON output. Each run is uniquely stored with date, time, and run ID. So nothing is ever overwritten and everything is traceable. I would also like to show you the logs as well. So if you go to last date modified, you'll be able to see here, it refers to the tactical kit launcher itself. You can see here the time we ran the network discovery tool and the ID, the run ID as well. So that's also important to note. So during a live change, this lets you quickly confirm critical systems are still reachable. And if something drops, you can catch it immediately. It's not about discovering the network, guys. It's about making changes with confidence. I hope you found this demo useful. Thank you for watching and listening. See ya.